Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use wireless power sharing function on this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So let's get started. Firstly, let's enable this feature in the settings. So let's open it and here choose the battery tab. After this, if you scroll a bit, you'll see this wireless power sharing function. This is what we needed. So before enabling it, don't forget to set the battery limit, but remember that you cannot set this limit higher than your current battery percentage. So I currently have 38%, so I cannot set 40 and higher because when I will try to enable it, you will see this pop-up notification that I cannot do it. So let's set 30% and turn it on. After this, we need to take another device which supports this function and place it at the back part of our Galaxy Z Fold 6. You need to find the right spot so it will start charging. And here it is. And also you can see this information that this phone is charging wirelessly. And that's it. Now you know how to use wireless power sharing function on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Hope this video was useful for you. And thank you so much for watching.